Hello guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on your Lenovo laptop. So let's get started. First, open the Start menu and search for Settings. Now open Settings and click on Network and Internet. Click on Wi-Fi from left side. Make sure your Wi-Fi is turned on. If it is already enabled and still not working, then click on Status from left side. Now, scroll down and click on Network Reset. After that, click on Reset Now. A confirmation box will appear. Click Yes. This will reset all your network settings. Once it is done, try reconnecting to your Wi-Fi network from the taskbar and check if the issue is fixed. If your Wi-Fi is still not working, don't worry. Again, open the Start menu and search for Device Manager. Now expand Network Adapters. Here, look for your Intel Wi-Fi adapter or Intel Wireless adapter. Once you find it, right-click on it and click on Update Driver. Now click on Search Automatically for drivers. After the update is completed, close the window. Now again, right-click on the Wi-Fi adapter and click on Update Driver. This time, click on Browse My Computer for drivers. After that, click on Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Now select your Intel Wi-Fi adapter and click Next. Wait for the installation to complete. Now again, right-click on the adapter and click on Uninstall Device. Then click Uninstall. After uninstalling, click on Action from the top menu and select Scan for hardware changes. This will reinstall the Wi-Fi adapter automatically. Now check if your Wi-Fi is working properly. If you still cannot find the Intel Wi-Fi adapter or the issue is not fixed, then you may need to install the driver manually. For that, open your browser and search for Intel Wi-Fi driver download. Now open the official Intel website. Scroll down and click on Download. Accept the terms and conditions and the driver will start downloading. Once the download is complete, open the file and follow the installation steps. After the installation, restart your laptop. And that should fix the Wi-Fi problem on your Lenovo laptop. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.